blogging has become a popular way to make money online. It is a flexible and rewarding career option for those who have a passion for writing and are willing to put in the effort to grow their blog. However, the journey to making money through blogging can be daunting for beginners. In this article, we will discuss some key steps to help beginners make money through blogging. Choose a niche. The first step to making money through blogging is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific area of interest that your blog will focus on. It is important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. This will help you to create content that resonates with your readers and keeps them engaged. Create quality content. Once you have chosen a niche, the next step is to create quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your niche. It should also be well-researched and well-written. Quality content is important to attract and retain readers to your blog. Build an audience. The next step to making money through blogging is to build an audience. This involves promoting your blog through social media, guest posting, and other marketing strategies. You can also use email marketing to build a loyal following. An engaged audience is important to attract advertisers and monetize your blog. Monetize your blog. There are several ways to monetize your blog. The most popular methods include affiliate marketing, advertising, sponsored posts, and selling products or services. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products on your blog and earning a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. Advertising involves displaying ads on your blog and earning money for every click. Sponsored posts involve getting paid to write about a specific product or service. Selling products or services involves creating and selling your own products or services. Track your progress. It is important to track your progress to determine what is working and what is not. You can use analytics tools to track your traffic, engagement, and revenue. This will help you to make informed decisions to improve your blog and increase your earnings. Be patient and consistent. Making money through blogging takes time and effort. It is important to be patient and consistent in your efforts. Consistently creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your blog will eventually pay off. Conclusion. Blogging can be a rewarding career option for those who have a passion for writing and are willing to put in the effort to grow their blog. By choosing a niche, creating quality content, building an audience, monetizing your blog, tracking your progress, and being patient and consistent, beginners can make money through blogging. Remember, success does not happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, it is achievable.